My name is Amit and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing Vinyasa flow. How can you jump forward and backward? Now let's the practice start. First come on your mat. Tug your toe. Inhale, look front, then exhale. Go to downward facing dog. Stretch your leg, active your knee. Look front between your palm and bend your knee. Inhale, then jump, then cross leg. First do this one. Okay? And here press your palm, lift your knee up and jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, then exhale to downward facing dog. First do 4 to 5 rounds. Inhale, then exhale. Inhale once again, press your palm, lift your hip up, then jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. 3 more rounds. Inhale, back. Press your palm, both knee together, lift your hip up, then exhale. Inhale, upward. Exhale to downward facing dog. Bend your knee, then jump. Look front and press your palm, both knee together. Look front, inhale, then exhale. Inhale, upward, then exhale to backward. Drop your knee down. This is one way to jump back. Now we do for forward jump. Press your palm. Lift your knee up. Look front. Bend your knee. First here. Then lift up. Jump back. First here. Lift up. Then jump back. Okay. Inhale. Then lift. Then stretch your both legs forward. Then down. Then use to block here. Press your palm, cross your leg and knee closer your chest. Inhale, lift your hip up. Then exhale, go back. First plank, then exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. 5 breathe here. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front, bend your knee, then exhale, jump forward. Lift up, bend your knee, then back. Inhale, upward, exhale to downward. Do this practice every day. Then now press your palm, tug your toe. Inhale, look between your palm, and exhale, bend your knee. Inhale. First we do, press your palm on the block and lift your right leg up. Left leg down, right leg up only. And exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg. Exhale down. Then inhale, left leg. Exhale down. Then your break outside of your left hip. Push the palm, both legs together. Then lift your both hip up and leg together. Hold here a few breath. And exhale, release. Then come on your mat. Okay? Press your palm. Lift your hip up. Bend your knee. And back. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Do downward facing dog. Drop your knee down and go to child pose. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.